Right. All right. All right. Good morning. Good morning. What's the plan today? We don't know. Will the shutdown occur or not? The US shut down the government. Will we get job reports this week or not? It's weird. And then the president met Netanyahu yesterday. That was a clown show for sure. Oh my god. That was totally ridiculous. But I think market is not happy with what's happening. I don't know. My view of this is a bigger time frame correction. That is, we're gonna see a similar reaction to this over here. Started yesterday, but we don't know. We don't know. We might have some more upside and then we go down. So it's hard to know. So currently, we had this late afternoon yesterday. We had this. This is the US Open, but then it totally revamped. And this here is initial balance where it started. So that is initial balance low. We haven't really been able to climb above that. We did peak, got down. We hit the top, we hold below, below, below. We tried during Asia, hold below. We're still below. So currently my view is that this might be wave 1 for a bigger time frame. And then we had a wave 2. Then we completed the first wave in third wave. But then we have this very drawn out consolidation here below the eye below. So we either might see an explosive move to the downside, or we will keep this low paced, or I don't know, strong push to the upside. I'm leaning short. So if this is wave 1, we're gonna have zone maybe ending down at this level. I'm currently short. I'm thinking this might be nestled waves. So when we had this wave 1, 2, then this is 1. And this is dragged out 2. So now we are in wave 3 to the downside. That should end somewhere where my TP is this. If I'm right. I'm not very interested prices to come above here again. I want this to keep lowering, and then I drag out this red zone here. We have peaked several times here and hold it. We have bought up every dip in this red zone. If we come down here again, I want to see this being taken to the downside. I don't want to... We had this small fair value gap on the 5-minute. Now it looks to claim that. I don't like that. So I might exit this trade early just to view price action. The 50-minute is oversold here. If I'm wrong in this view that we're gonna go down, my bias is gonna be, especially if we take out initial balance low and climb above that, and then breaking this. If we break this, then we're gonna break the structure of my potential view of where in wave 3. Now, if this is a bigger consolidation, that's hard. I'm actually thinking this might go. I don't like this. I do not. Could it be? Gonna see a rally. Maybe it stops here. I'm just trying to view this as potential ABC here. You have an A, B, C here. And then the bigger one, A, B, C.
Order filled. Order filled.
Let's cancel this and wait for price action. Going long here to go up here, that would be a mistake. Well, it's a one-to-one trade. That's not really good. Continue to break here, keep a stop loss here, then we break this. No, it's that's a bad trade. That's a one-to-one trade. That's too little. since I'm bearish. Now if we break this, I would like to lean short again. With a stop loss above this pivot. Looking to go down. First here. The longer term, we're gonna go down here. To this fair value gap on the 4 hour. This gets me a little bit twisted here what to do. Do I want to get short again here? Potentially lose another 7.5 points if it comes crawling back up. Just don't want to miss big picture drop if that comes. I see this topping area here. Expecting a big drop. We're right at the point of control here. If we go up here, as I think, we're gonna be within value. Break to the downside here, that's gonna be when we go down to the next area here. Wave 3 down here. All this is going to be eating up down here. I really like the shorts, I really do. This is a slow paced push. It seems to struggle to get over here. Something is holding it back.
Order filled.
I'm gonna get back
Order
in.
filled.
Oh shit, I did enter a bit too much maybe. I really would like to see a break here of this red bottom here. I do not want to see it go back up here. Like, as soon as I put down the stop loss and stuff, it just go up immediately. So annoying. Crazy. Yeah.
Order filled.
What the hell is this? Oh, this goddamn price action, man. Holy shit. I just can't. When it looks so good, all of a sudden it looks bad again. It's so frustrating with this price action doing like this. It's like the drop is coming. They don't want anyone follow it. So they're gonna chop out and take out everything they see. Or maybe we are going up here as I foresaw to get that nestled ABCs.
Order filled.
So now I'm gonna lean on my long bias with just a small sized position here. Since this is counter trending my own idea here. It's a 1-to-1 trade, small size. But I don't want this to drop confidence here in this candle. It needs to keep pushing here. I'm okay, we come down and bounce on this EMA 9, but then I need it to come up here. The 1 hour looks really bullish here, really perking up here. Like we could do a big run to the upside. Who knows, man? 15-minute as well. 15-minute is even giving more bullish signal. We're making small steps, higher lows. I don't know. I take that back. We are curling up here along with this. It might just be a fluke. It would be cool if I'm right with this nestled ABCs that we stop. We're gonna break this structure. We're gonna come up around this area here. What happens if we break this though? Would that mean? Would that mean that we have just... This is way 1, maybe? This is 2, whatever that is. It's here, so that would mean we have a 50 dip here. Possibly way 1. Possibly. If we break this. Because that is to me way 2. And then 1, 2, 3. But we'll have to see. And isn't it always the trade that you have least believe in are the ones that works very well, and they are undersized, or should I say not the normal size I put. We'll see. We're up at the Ivy low here. It's been struggling very hard to climb this Ivy low. So if we're gonna take this move, that's the one we are facing right now. Should be something like, oh, here? No, we need to do this more properly here. It's bigger than that. This one. This move. We're a little late in that. Feels like the path from this is too slow of a pace from that. Yeah, we're too slow paced here. But this needs to come up pretty rapid and pretty, yeah. What if they started it here? But that's weird. That is weird. Should start at the bottom. seeing the structure here, this is 1, 2, 1, 2, whatever this is, 3, then 4, 5, and then you have the real 4 and 5. So this could go pretty much up here in this blue zone, right? I think, or we're done here. That's just my belief here. Maybe I should put it for break of this structure. I don't know. I'm thinking of this coming back here. Uh, I'm interested in adding to the long. I mean, it looks very exhausted up here, but it could be dragged on. I might keep my original idea here and just wait to see. But it looks primed to break the structure here. This is wave 3. Can end here, right below this structure, and then we have a 4, and then we're gonna go up and break it. Right now we are within the 3 still. Like 1, 2. This is the 3 coming up here. Then we have a 4 on this and a 5. But that's only wave 3. The bigger picture is 1, 2, 3, and then 4 and 5. You know? That's what I'm seeing. It might be easier to see the waves here. Yeah, wave 3 could be done here actually. Yeah, this 1, short 2, very short 2, 3, 4, 5. This 4 respected this 1. That's all fine. It could be. So wave 3, we have a wave 4 potentially coming maybe down to my entry again. Then we go up a bit. I'm hoping this could push a little more. But look at the 1 minute, really looks like it wanna go down here. Wanna go down. We come down to my entry again, then we go for the next leg up. Doesn't mean it next leg doesn't have to break the structure. I don't know. Let's see. This wave 3. We did come down. We took out 50 Fibonacci of this move on this leg. So it could also be that this is wave 1 within wave 3. So that means we're going to have a bigger wave 4, 5. Which means, oh, I'm messing with you guys. If this is 1, whatever, 2. Very this 2 is so short though. So short. So short. It's like it's not no consolidation at all here. I don't know. This looks pretty solid. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Then a consolidation. 1, 2. So it could be. What if this is just 1 within wave 3? But this did not come back too much here. This could be 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And it's done. Wave 3, that is. Yeah, we're coming down here.
Order filled.
I take the little 50. Comes back to my entry. I could get back in, I guess. Here's 50. Annoying. This could be wave 4 within wave 3. So 1, 2, 3. Short wave 4. I we don't know. All right, we're up at the structure here. All right, look at that. That was my target. Oh my god. Yeah. You're always fooled in this game. A lot of the times. It tricks you. It's looking very bearish now. You exit your trade with less profit than you run your TP. You don't want to lose the profits. And then it shoots up to go to your original TP. Alright. We'll see if this breaks any kind of structure here. Here. This one maybe. I would say that whatever this is a consolidation, or then maybe the last push up. We're this close to breaking structure here, so I think we might break that with my original plan, and we are gonna end up here in this blue zone. Unless just price continue to go today. But we'll have to see. I'm still till we break this line here. Well, I'm still gonna be bearish. If I do think that this looks like a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and then we are 2 and a 1. This, however, is a ream long consolidation. Which could then be, because we are gonna go a big drop today. Who knows? Yeah, we broke the structure here. We just peaked it, and this is a valid wave 4 going to Fibonacci 382. But we'll see what's happening here. Come down again. this orange is kind of a forbidden zone. If it's fine, it could drop a little bit, I guess. But we have wave 1 here. If this is wave 3, wave 4 should not intrude wave 1 too much. So if you get a push down here, it's either over, which I don't see, or this wave is actually just wave 1 with a bigger time frame to go higher. Yeah, we're curling down here. This is weird. This is weird. This is, I mean, if this is a consolidation, I buy it. Because consolidations, you never know the structure of the waves. That's freaking impossible. I mean, look at that. That measured move there and here is pretty much the same. So could we say that we did an ABC here? Like that? ABC. It's possible. It is. Or is this one or a bigger move up here? Boom. But if I buy
Order
here,
filled.
we can't really fall below here. That would break my view. That's why I hit long here, because I have a managed risk. We can't go lower here. That would break my view of if we break this to the downside again, I think we're gonna go lower.
Order filled.
I'm not gonna do anything with haste here. Happy I exit that, because that looked primed to go lower here. We have to check. If we break this though, we kind of missed the down move. That's gonna be pretty annoying, in my opinion. We did try the IB low again, but we couldn't really. And we hold this. We didn't break the structure here. So we're still within wave 2 here. If that is a thing. This could be a very rapid move down.
Order filled.
Ah, this is so this is intense, man. I don't know what to think here. This is a bit of FOMO, I would say. Looking at the 1 minute, looks like it could shoot up. I'm just doing this because I am bearish today in the wave structure. And if we are done, we have a huge down move, possible move, but now I'm a little bit on the riskier side here. I'm a little bit twisted here what to do. One, two, three, four, five. It's possible we just made a complete wave here to the downside. So either then go up and higher, or to consolidate, then go lower. So if this doesn't drop here, I'm gonna exit this. This might be a consolidation. Then we might go lower. Or this is the bottom of a complete wave of this move. So now we're gonna do a rapid move up. I should probably not be in this trade. But as I am bearish, I have a hard time letting this go if this rapidly drops. But we kind of left some unfinished business here that we might want to visit again. What's the 5 minute looking like? Okay. He has come up here in this space. I have so many things here. I'm gonna have to. We did break this for sure. So we kind of broken this trust here. So now we need to take this out. This structure here to the downside. We need to take that out. Because then we know that this is not a wave to be continued to the upside. Well, anything is possible, but it diminished the chance of it. So we broke that, yes. We peaked it. Interesting. What do we do with this? Are we gonna keep this now? That's gonna be a huge stop loss up here. Really huge. That's a 20-point stop loss. 20 point with a Nazi. That's 400 quid. I can't take that. I don't want to take that. What are the chances that we're gonna go up and break that though? Well, can we see this continue down here? Can it break this red zone? We peaked this structure here now. So next move, is that gonna be a consolidation to then go lower? Possibly. Is this just a manipulation move to go higher? We've seen Nasdaq do this. Peak a tick or two of a structure and then completely reverse. Blind side. Traders like me who like to have a structured view of things. It's crazy though. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I mean, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yeah, that's a bit worrying. That this is a wave. This is a complete wave. So if price reverse here, now I want this break, take it to the downside. If that's not taken to the downside, well, we could see a huge move. That was a strong reaction to the down move here. We haven't taken it out yet. This is also Asia high. So we did not take Asia high. Where's Asia low? It's this one. This is Asia low. Down here. So we peaked this. Now we peaked this structure. What if we don't break this and this we keep coming up here? This is a weird wave though. It's like I'm missing the fourth and the fifth wave. But in a consolidation, if this is a consolidation here, like I said, this is A leg, this is B leg, and this is C leg. It's a nice ABC here. It's a big consolidation for this wave down. Because this is this is structured as normal 1. You have a 2 and a 3 and a 4 and a 5. This is a nice wave. We broke the structure here. But then I will actually assume that this is a correction. I will assume that this is an ABC. Like this. I will keep that. And that should now lead us to a break here. It doesn't say we now can come up and make... Because this is now wave 1 we're seeing here. This is wave 1 with a bigger move to the downside. So this can come all the way back. All the way back. We could hold this structure now. And everyone is long here. We're gonna come up here and then reverse and come down and break it even harder. Now we are looking to break. We have broken it there a little bit. So we'll see what happens here. We're on the 1 minute. It's kind of hard to... I'm gonna delete this. We have a gap here. This is actually a nice place where we actually can see this price reverse up to. It's like we left something up here. Let's see. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Possibly. Could that be a possible wave 1? This. But this wave 2 is very short. Then we have 1, 2, whatever this is, 3. 4, and we should have more downside. We'll have to wait and see here. If this is 2, it's very small. Wave 2 is normally up to 50 Fibonacci, and this hardly goes to anything. But I mean, it's still valid. There is no rule for wave 2, how long or short it is. Long, it can't break the structure to the upside. Then this is something else. But wave 2 could be very short or all the way without breaking wave 1, of course. So this is fine, just very short. Rapid move. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Possibly here that this is 3 gonna be complete here. Any time here. So we could see a wave 4. And 4 should not interfere with 1, right? So we'll see how big of a move this is. And then we have a wave 5. Wave 5 is hard. We don't know. It doesn't have to break 3. It could be shorter than 3. It could be longer than 3. It could be very extended. The only thing we need to know is that wave 3 cannot be the shortest. So right now we can take a measure of wave 1. And then we can take this one to the top of the 2. And we'll see. Right now, this break here makes this wave longer than wave 1. So now we know. Can I get that? Thank you. Now we know that this wave is not the shortest. So then wave 5 could be very extended. But first, we have a break here. So everyone is leaning short. So we might see a bounce here of a wave 4 before we actually go and seek wave 5. We'll see. We'll see. We'll see. We'll see. And remember, this structure, whatever this is still wave 1 of wave 3. It's nestled, right? This is the actual wave 1. So this is wave 3 here, coming. Big one. A big wave 3. But we are still in wave 1 within wave 3 here. And this is wave 1 of wave 3. But now we are wave 1 within wave 3. But also we have to remember that if this is wave 1, and we have this huge long consolidation. So it's nestled wave 3s for sure. So we'll see how extended this will be. Ugh. We're gonna try and keep track of the waves here so we know what's happening. Looks like it's gonna be a pretty extended wave here. Let's see if we measure this. This was the first initial wave 1 at TP1 of this wave, and we have another one here. This is like wave 3 TP2 zone, nestled. This was area 1. So we already skipped that. Do we want to take profit here? Well, not really. If you want to look at the bigger picture. So what can we get within this one here then? It looks like a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, possibly 5 there. This could be a consolidation here. But that should be 1, 2, 3. So whatever this is should not be too long. Could be a pretty short one, just up here at the EMAs, like here. Maybe breaking this structure a bit, and then we should see a little bit more downside. And this is probably where we end up in this zone. To end this first wave. It could actually be a good exit here, because after wave 1 we could see a rapid big consolidation to the upside. This looks like a short 4.
Order filled.
I'm gonna take this trade. I reclaimed all the loss. It says I'm up today, but that's wrong. Because I did take some trades at the very end of yesterday's session, the last hour, the power hour. So it looks a bit skewed here. I right now have, you see that the balance is 78 cents to the in profit, but here it says I made $356, but no. So this is now a complete first wave. In my opinion, it could still drop, yes, but I would like to see a consolidation here. So let's do this measured move. And I mean, we are almost at this wave 3 TP2 zone. So this could still squeeze down a bit, yes. Wave 5, we have no idea how long this can be. But I'm really happy with that trade. So now I really looking to reassess. And if we measure this move, we have the 50 Fibonacci here. So at least I want to see a reclaim of this. So nestled wave wave 1 fib 50%. I mean, it gets complicated when you have nestled. I could have kept. Oh, what did I have my? Let's see. I entered 836.50. It's up here. Oh, it's here. Okay. So yeah, I could have let this, whatever this consolidation is, come up here to hopefully stop here at the Fibonacci. But wave 2 can go. You saw this move? This ate up all this wave 1 to almost breaking structure. Do I want to do that when I have that big of a trade? I had wasn't I $500 loss? It's a $500 trade. That's nice. All right, we are in this nestled zone here. I'm gonna hope that this, whatever this wave 5 is, it's not gonna be overextended here. It's nothing I can do. You never know. This looks to be a very extended wave 5. This one could keep going here. Pretty annoying. But it is what it is. We are now in this zone of this move. This is the first zone of this wave 3. Wave 3 TP1. Here. We just got there. We just got there. Okay. But to me, that is... Is it though? Is it though? I don't have any good wave structure other than very short bursts to the downside. No real retracement over some real waves. This is just short bursts. If you go into the 5 minutes, you're not gonna see any green candles. It's just red, so we need a consolidation here. So now we're gonna adjust some things here. This one went there. I'm gonna delete this. We'll see. We don't know if it's finished. It could keep squeezing down. For sure. Right now, the 50 Fibonacci is here by this one. What is this? White. Is this a structure? Oh, it's this one. That's nothing. That's not important. This could be important though. This one. It could be an important one. I'm gonna mark that. I'm also gonna mark. Let's do this. And I'm gonna do like this. And I'm gonna delete that. So this zone wave 1 pivot low. So what I mean by that is that if this move here is in fact a complete wave 3 of this move, doesn't look complete to me. It looks like just one long wave. So I want 1, 2, 3, much deeper, 4, 5. But if they want this to be a complete wave, this red here, they need to respect this pivot low. So whatever consolidation comes here should not go into this other than wicks and not too far. But if whatever consolidation, if it comes, goes way up here, higher, or to the 50 Fibonacci here, I would say that this is wave 2, and we're still within the nestled wave 3. We're gonna see a bigger move. You have this nestled wave 3 TP1 zone here. So whatever this is 1, the next 2 and the 3, you see the first zone is here. Far down. Nestled. 2 nestled. Wave 3. TP1 zone. And copy that. We go all the way down here. Wow, they really collide with each other here perfectly. That gives me, look at that. This is the original wave 3 TP1 zone. And we just collided with the TP2 of the 2 nestled waves in this zone down here. So the original wave is down here. And the nestled within nestled is coming down here. That's where we have this green bottom channel as well, where we had peaks, and coming down here again, we have peaks here. Boom. Very interesting. But I would be very bummed if this keeps falling here, falling without any kind of retrace. That would be pretty sad if we don't get the opportunity to actually get in again here. We really should. But we did a new low here. So this could continue squeezing down here. Let's hope we get a real strong response down here. It really doesn't look like it. Holy shit. Yikes. Oh well. This Fibonacci keeps getting down. So we might get, I would really like to see a retrace up in this red, bounce here to then seek lower. Because this has been holding nice ground here. So bounce up here I would like. But if this comes up, I'm still gonna have a huge stop loss. Wow, look at that. That's a good response down here. We'll see. But I'm not gonna take any long trades. I'm not gonna try and find the bottom. I think we have more downside today. It really looks like it. Now, we don't know. This could be a very dragged out wave 2 here. Very dragged out. So now looking at the hourly and the 50-minute charts, they are very over at the bottom here. Same as the 5-minute, very oversold. So the hourly, we do have, do we? Where is the, there's no gap here, okay. Okay, so the hourly has only this initial gap here. It's not a gap yet until the top of the hour, so we can't draw that really. We know we have the hourly Priv 1 hour low. That we could do. Check the 50-minute. If we have any good. Here I can see we have fair value gaps. $15-minute fair value gap. Could be an important one. We also have this lower, smaller one, but still 15-minute fair value gap. All right, then we go into 5-minute, and we'll let this have its fun. I like this fair value gap. I really do. This was the 1-minute. If we can come up here in this fair value gap, we're gonna bounce this area. See, in the 5-minute, we have this small fair value gap right here within that. Maybe. I am very tempted to go long here. I am very tempted. It's a valid long here. it's a valid long to keep this structure here intact and go seek this level. It's really, that's a nice trade though. It's 3-1 almost. If we come all the way back up here, I think we should get to Fibonacci 50 at least. Get up to this, and then we are gonna come up to this fair value gap. So I think we might take 50% of that. That's a 3-1 trade if you take this. We could take a 5.
Order filled.
Let's take a 5. A small bet here. To go up here. Am I stupid to do this? Possibly. Possibly stupid.
Order filled.
I am gonna add one more. And I want to take out a 1-to-1 trade here. That's 1-to-1. I'm gonna do sell 5. And that would make this trade free. So whatever this comes all the way up here, that's just gonna be profit. And the trade is gonna be free if we get to this 5. And I think that is very much possible. Because we are in this 50-minute fair value gap. We have the pivot low here. Why did I have that? That's not important, is it? Oh, it's Asia low. So we could come back to Asia low. Yeah, I think this is a very valid 1-to-1 trade here. That was fast. We'll see. So we took out the higher high here. I like that. But this candle has been broken to the upside. Now, can we get a little more? That was a strong reaction, though. Is that the 5-minute? Yeah, that was the 5-minute. We'll see. I mean, we are below EMA 9, so whatever this 1-to-1 trade here, it should be really possible to get that.
Order filled.
Okay, we got it. So this is a free trade now, which is fine. I could... Let's go in 1 minute. I would say this is a pivot here. I'm gonna trim, which makes this trade actually profitable now, even if it stops me out. So if this 5 goes in now, this trade alone is a 6-to-1 ratio return. But we already know that I took out half the trade at this Asia low, which was a 1-to-1, which made the trade free. So we'll see. Now I'm betting that we are gonna go up to this red channel to bounce, to go into this fair value gap before we continue any move down. And this could be dragged out. This could take time. So did we get that fib right? It's not that important, I think. Yeah, it's almost correct here. Here we go. Wow, that was a strong reaction to the downside here. We'll see. I'm gonna let this trade cook here. If we get stopped out, well, we have this one. Remember this one. This is the pivot of wave 1. So if we see price come up here and we get reacted up here, wicks, and then we see price comes down, it might be the real wave 3, and then we have 4, and then we're gonna see wave 5. However, that's when I'm hoping that we're gonna surpass this pivot, which make me then believe that we have still very big moves to the downside. But if this stops here and goes down, it's a very short wave to this down move that we just witnessed. Okay, I'm gonna stop gap and let this do its thing.
Order filled.
Oh, that was fast. Maybe it's on a relentless path down today. It's possible.
Order filled. Order filled.
It is possible. This is not a steep up move. I mean, big consolidation. It's very short. Very short. But I don't see this as a wave 5 either. Because we don't have any waves within this. So whatever this is, I don't know. It looks very violent to the downside. So where is this going? Is it going down here? This is... It's... I don't know. I don't know. It's very... This is very hard right now. I don't know if I will take this as 4 and 5, and 5 is the last, so this could come up fast. Or what is this? If this keeps dropping here, it's very aggressive. It's very aggressive to the downside. Wow. Crazy. Wow. I'm
Order
gonna take
filled.
5. That was like 30 points in a minute. 20 points in a minute. We are at the Nestle Wave 3 TP1 zone here. This is only a 1-2 wave. We should see some more structure here. This is getting crazy. It's just hard to trust when this is such a short consolidation of this down move. I mean, it's fine though. It's valid. It's a valid wave 2. If this is wave 2 of this wave, it's valid. But then we're gonna go. This is the one TP1 zone here in this zone, and 2 is way lower here. But then we have this. There's a lot of zones here that we could land on, I guess. We did take this fair value gap. We did. Okay, so that's gone. We have this higher up here. Okay, we got a potential reversal here, but I don't know. Is this the end? Like a weird wave 5 thing? Possibly. If it comes up and stops me out, then for sure. Then we're just gonna wait for a new opportunity to short this, I guess. Oh, so we did go. Oh, we filled the gap with the previous 1 hour low. That's what we did. Nice. So we. Okay. We just went up and filled the gap to the 1 hour low.
Order filled.
Wow, that was giving us way worse. But this is a pivot now. I wanna trail my stop loss too. I don't mind that. I don't mind that we are here. We could come up and stop us out. But that would also breaking this pivot and we might go higher. I'm just gonna wait a few here before I actually put this stop loss here. Feels like as soon as I'm gonna trail this, I need this to come down a little bit more here. I'm not gonna let it go up anyway, no matter what, but I just don't wanna release it until I see a little bit of a more down move here. Okay, I'm gonna put it there. It looks like it's gonna go up.
Order filled.
The 5 minute is looking to curl up. Bit of an awkward reversal here pattern. I wouldn't say, I don't know what that is. Maybe we will. Maybe this is the point where it goes down again. I don't know. It's been such an aggressive sell-off.
Order filled.
Yeah, now I am too short biased here. That is, yeah, this is hurting me now. Yikes! When I see this drop, that's good. That's not good.
Order filled.
Not good. I thought we took the 50 Fibonacci up here. We got this retracement. Fast. German unemployment changed. Wow. They have a lot more unemployment in Germany right now. 14K, expected 8K. That's a lot. That's almost a double of forecast. Broke the structure with one tick here. So this could be a full move. If we break previous 1 hour low to the upside, then we're gonna break whatever this wave is.
Order filled.
I think I'm too early. We have no real... We don't have a full consolidation yet, do we? No, I think we have more, a little more to the upside maybe before we go down. We want to create some kind of pattern. Is this the pattern? So then do this last push here.
Order filled.
Maybe. Whoa. That was what was that? That was a strong reaction there.
Order filled. Order filled. Order filled.
No, I don't like me preempting this too hard here. How's the 5-minute looking? We're still curling up here.
Order filled.
Oh, we're making low lows.
Order filled.
I hate this. We keep this. That's way too expensive, isn't it? That is way too expensive, yes. We need this down now. Wow.
Order filled.
But this move. Damn it.
Order filled. Order filled.
Yeah, I need this to go now. We need this to be drop. Because if this goes up, it could be wave 1 and this is 3. It's going to be a strong move to the upside. We kind of need this to drop. We get that confirmation out of the way. I want to break this. And then of course this. Everything is very much stretched down here though. That's a bit scary actually.
Order filled.
Yeah, I didn't like that push. That was a strong reaction here. We haven't broken that. What do I take that? It's a bit tricky right now.
Order filled. Order filled.
You want to come up? Do I have a long bias here? Do we? Oh, this is very tricky right now. Very tricky right now. I don't know. What if this just flush? Everything is kind of curling up. But that doesn't mean this can go down. We've been so bearish. Can we break the top structure here? Would be very nice. It could do that for us. Can we break the top structure here? I would really like that. I am gonna protect my stop loss here. Where is my target though? Where is my target now? We have this. And we have this. Can we break this to the upside? Five minute is actually top here. It's topping here.
Order filled.
Actually topping there.
Order filled.
What if this holds? What if this holds and we're going down? Wow, it's hard to read this, but this is not looking too bad, is it? It's very hard. Yeah, maybe you want to top this. Maybe you want to go higher. It's very hard. Very, very hard right now. I'm leaning so short, but at the same time, This could go up for a longer consolidation here. Very tough read right now. My bias is still to the short side, but that doesn't mean we can consolidate higher. I would be very pleased if this flush down. Ay, ay, ay. What are you going to do? Are you gonna go higher? Yeah, I hate this right now.
Order filled. Order filled. Order filled. Order filled.
Yeah, this is very, very tricky right now. Very tricky, very, very tricky. It looks like a consolidation to maybe go down more later on, but right now we had this move with this short move and then this. And now we have this. We broke higher.
Order filled. Order filled. Order filled. Order filled.
There's no way you can trade this. You are getting so shopped out here. Breaking highs, breaking lows, breaking highs, breaking lows. Holy fuck. This is so annoying. We broke the low, we broke the high. Low, high, low, high. Yeah, it's a kerfuffle right here.
Order filled.
Getting the time of the hour of the day where it's right now it's been choppy for now an hour almost. I lost all this money in this shit. I've been lured in here. Then it came up here. It looks weak. The maze. I think I went short here as well. Came up. So yeah. Right now it's looks like an ABC here for correction. But who knows?
Order filled. Order filled. Order filled.
Thing is, I keep stabbing at this. There's no real evidence. I just want to pre-empty an ABC here. But that's what's eating me up here. I mean, if I get this, it's a really, really lucrative trade. But to try and call the top is, I don't know. Every time I place my stop loss, it has come back to eat me. This is so ridiculous. Up and down and up and down.
Order filled. Order filled. Order filled.
There's more upside on it.
Order filled.
I'm gonna come up here again, right? Jesus, I take these small nags. Maybe we just go and shoot up.
Order filled. Order filled.
What the? Okay,
Order
that
filled.
was. Sure.
Order filled. Order filled.
We never broke this. Whatever this is might break to the upside, huh? Or we are APC.
Order filled.
As soon as I entered this,
Order filled.
it started to scroll up. That's the scary part here. It's so... This is so... I don't know.
Order filled. Order filled.
Are we gonna go up or down? Come on. Christ. I don't know, man. If I go long, it seems to go down. If I short, it's going up.
Order filled. Order filled.
Just afraid it's gonna do a big dive. Or a pop for that fact. But this is eating me up so bad. This is eating me up so hard. So hard. I need to stop doing this. Because look how it eats me. Wow. What am I doing? Why am I trying to even force being correct here? It's just complete chopping me out here. Totally. This is another 100. Another $100. This is insane. I'm destroying myself doing this. And I admit it. Why am I still doing it? Look at this. It's going up now when I'm short. It is completely and utterly shopping me out. And if it has a big
Order
jump,
filled.
if it has a big jump, I am done. Look at that. As soon as I get out, it drops. As soon as I get out, it drops. It doesn't matter what I do here. The algos find it sends where if I buy or short. Wow, I can't believe I let myself do being chopped up like this. I can't believe myself. Holy crap. And I swear to God, we're gonna have a huge move soon. Because this crap just waiting to have a big pop or a big flush. That's what's been eating me. Look at this. Now it's down again. Looking like, hey, 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 look at this. We're gonna go down. We reached the top here. ABC. Now we're gonna go down. Yeah. That's 5 minute though. That's a strong one. This is also strong. Then we have a big reaction. Now we have this. We should have a big reaction. In my opinion, we should freaking go down. Yikes. I hate this.
Order filled. Order filled.
Here we go. I'm back in again. So what are we gonna get? Probably an upside move here. Probably an upside move. We might want to tangle the highs again. This is crazy though. Now they are luring in shorts again, and then it's gonna go up. Strong move up. I wouldn't be surprised. It's gonna take me out again. I can't. Why? There is nothing happened with the price here. Literally nothing. It's just shopping us out.
Order filled.
Here we go again. Another 100. Oh my God. What a mess. What a mess. And why have I been in this? Why have I been in this? Because I want to preempt a bigger move. And instead I've been chopped up. Jesus Christ. Jesus. Freaking Christ. Here we go. Up move, huh? Is it a fake? It's a bigger consolidation, so probably not.
Order filled. Order filled.
So fucking tired of this shit. I want this to break, go up. Don't stop here. Don't stop at the top of this channel here. I beg you. Break to the upside.
Order filled.
This is the shitty part. This is the freaking shitty part now. Because it could turn here at the EMA and go straight up. Or it can come all the way down. That's wave 2. Now look at that. Look at that shit. If I re-enter this, I'm all the way up here. Oh my god. I don't know. I just can't hold and risk. That's my issue. As soon as I get out, the price got up. Got up. Yikes.
Order filled. Order filled.
I have like 400. I can't.
Order filled. Order filled.
Yeah, I'm not in my mental state right now. I'm jumping in trades here and there. Jesus Christ, I have destroyed myself. This shop, what the freaking hell, man? Why am I even participating here? So bad. So bad. I need to step out of this and reset. I have other things to do. So bad. Alright. Don't do what I do. Don't participate in this crap price. Wait for a breakout.
Order filled.
It's so bad. I'm so mad at myself. I'm so mad. No,
Order filled.
I'm not gonna participate in that. Ugh. Brrr. Yeah, I need to do other stuff. Sorry, I need to end this stream. I have other things to do that is taking my mind from my goal right now. This might come down and then up. I don't know. This is mind-blowing right now.
Order filled. Order filled. Order filled. Order filled.
Alright. Good luck, guys. This is not my day. I totally screw up this day. Totally. Totally. So, I'm so mad. I'm so mad. I'm so mad. I think this is gonna come down here. I'm so freaking convinced.
Order filled.
I'm so convinced it's gonna go down.
Order filled.
Why am I that? Why am I so convinced? I'm destroying myself. I think it might be this move that we're seeing here. So then we might have another big leg up after this. Don't you dare come up before you visit this low of this channel.
Order filled. Order filled.
That's just hypothetical. But if you want to create a pattern, fucking hate this. You have this here. So you need to have this. Look at that. We didn't even touch the bottom. It got bought up before anyone could even get a glimpse of that trade. Or maybe it's coming down, snag this and then come up. We don't know. Oy, it's... Wow, I've been eating up this day. Yeah. See you in US session, hopefully. If I don't blow myself out before that. Trade safe. Bye for now.